Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. Today I'd just like to highlight a couple of the options that a lot of you are probably not aware of in regards to the reporting for various details once you've finished your model and applied your materials and prepared your quotation. So here's an example of a job. Maybe it's complete, maybe it's not, doesn't matter. We go to the supply and install screen, and then I can recalculate the quote, or I can just bring up an existing quote. And there is the quotation that I'm proposing to send to my customer. Now we have two basic options for generating reports in our software. There's a series of standard templates that are generated in the CAD program, and there's some limits to the presentation of those, but fundamentally it's down to how you design the template, or indeed take our template and modify it to your purposes. So if we were to do, for example, select print, and then print this example, which is a quotation letter, and I hit OK, the software then creates the proposed report with our price, a picture of the roof, and anything else that you put into that template. And it's very quick, and it's all generated within the CAD program. We won't print that for now. But the other option, and it does provide a great deal more creative scope for generating anything from a single page report right up to many pages where everything is in the one report. But it all comes down to the design of the template. So if I go to print and print the quote acceptance, for example, this particular report is based on a template designed in Microsoft Word, whereas the quotation letter is based on a template designed in the CAD program. So if I hit OK on that, you'll see what happens. So Microsoft Word starts up, and I'll just bring that into the screen. And so Microsoft Word is automatically filled out by the software, and all the key text strings are found and variables put in, and that is the job. It's done. And so you can see that there's more capability. This is a single page quotation form, but you could do a report based on a template with 5 or 6 pages of information that are relevant to the way you do business. It all comes down to how you want to work. Now, it's not really the scope of the Feature Friday to teach you how to do that, but certainly all the information to learn how to do all that's in the help files. So if you go to help.applicad.com and go to the heading for reports, and there's a section there which details how to create your templates in Word and how to modify your templates in the CAD program. Okie doke, well, that's about all for Feature Friday for this week. Have fun learning all about that. And if you get stuck anytime, always reach out to the team. They're here to help and facilitate you getting the best results out of your AppliCad Roof Wizard software. That's it for this week. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again soon on Feature Friday. Bye for now.